Do you want to upload a Snapchat story with a music? Here's how to do it. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app. And now you can upload a photo from your gallery by tapping here. Or you can capture an instant photo. Once done, now it's time to add a music here. In this right hand menu here, you will find this music icon. Just tap on that. And now from this features section, you can pick any music to add in your story, or to search for a specific song, you can use this search box and search for the music. Now just tap on the music to add. Now you can crop the music from here. Now just tap on done. And here we can see the music successfully added. You can change music tag from like this. Also, you can pinch your fingers to make the music tag smaller or bigger. Then just tap on send to and select my story. Tap on OK and tap on send. And that's it. This is how we can add Snapchat story with music. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.